Sometimes truth is dangerous. And sometimes the only way to speak it is anonymously. That's where whistleblowing platforms come in. They're built to protect the people who take the biggest risks in the name of justice, accountability, and transparency. The most well-known is SecureDrop. Developed by the Freedom of the Press Foundation, SecureDrop is an open-source platform that allows whistleblowers to share documents with journalists, completely anonymously. It's used by major newsrooms around the world: The Guardian, The Washington Post, ProPublica, The Intercept. Here's how it works. A source visits the SecureDrop page through the Tor browser. There, they upload files or messages into a secure Dropbox. No names, no emails, no metadata. They receive a unique code to check for replies from the journalist. All communication is encrypted. All traffic is routed through Tor. No identifying logs are ever stored. On the other end, journalists use an air-gapped computer, one that's never touched the internet, to decrypt and read the submissions. The entire system is designed to protect identity, even from the news organization itself. Another example is SecureLeaks, a less well-known but growing set of decentralized Dropboxes built on similar principles. Some are run by activists, others by independent investigators. A few are anonymous themselves. No central publisher, no known admin, just infrastructure for truth. These platforms are critical in places where press freedom is under threat, corruption runs deep, surveillance is constant. They've been used to expose war crimes, corporate fraud, illegal surveillance programs, environmental destruction. Without secure, anonymous tools, those stories may have never seen the light of day. But this kind of power also comes with risk. These platforms are often targeted by governments, corporations, and even cybercriminals. Maintaining security means constant updates, audits, and transparency in their own development. They depend on the same tools we've discussed throughout this course: encryption, operational security, anonymity. Whistleblowers are often experts themselves, or people trained by journalists and NGOs in how to use these tools properly. Because one small mistake, a photo, a file name, a fingerprint, can lead to exposure. And in many cases, exposure means prison, or worse. That's why these platforms matter. They're not about leaks for drama. They're about truth, protected by design, built into the very architecture of the dark web. The next time someone tells you the dark web is only for criminals, remember, it's also for heroes.